According to a blog from Action Project, posted in June, the keto diet is a low-carb diet that makes your body use fats as an unexpected and novel fuel source. This diet focuses on ketone bodies rather than the glucose that comes from carbohydrates. Ketone bodies are created by the liver from fat reserves. Obesity and type 2 diabetes may be on the verge of victory if you can persuade your liver to carry out the labor-intensive task of fat burning. However, it might be a bit challenging to rewire the way your body has been burning calories for so long. To enter a state of ketosis, your liver must produce ketone bodies. Before this can happen, you'll need a few days of eating in a ketogenic manner. Remember that consuming too much protein might also prevent you from entering ketosis. The ketosis transition may be stopped or slowed down if an excessive amount of protein can be converted to glucose. In terms of weight loss, the keto diet may be a game changer. Would you like to know exactly what to eat to lose fat and get healthy without giving up your favorite foods? Do you want to avoid common diet mistakes that sabotage your health and stall fat loss? Try your 7-day custom meal plan, risk-free, and judge for yourself. With your custom meal plan, you'll finally have control over your health and vigor. Check out the link in the description below. What you'll get if you start today.